Hey guys, welcome back to BARO Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima guys. If you have a Kia Optima, you need to remove or replace map sensors. Stay with us, we'll explain guys how to do that. Everything from start to finish. Not very complicated procedure, but we'll explain what to do and what not to guys. And if you guys have codes related to map sensor, we have a special video about that, and it talks about all the possible things that can cause you to have a bad map sensor, but you may actually have a good sensor and something else is bad. So check out that video as well. Let's go ahead and explain how to replace it now. So that should actually work guys on Kia Optima generation 2010 to year 2016. Also, let me tell you quick about us guys. If you need to buy any parts tools for your Kia Optima, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we make more than 200 to 300 free repair videos provided to you absolutely free guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. In addition, if you have a Kia Optima guys, okay, this generation, and you want to see more information about electrical components, engine diagnostics, diagnosing airbag, codes, anything like that, all that will be published on our second YouTube channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. We have so much information that can save you practically thousands of dollars if you have a Kia Optima guys. Specifically guys, 2013 Kia Optima that we'll be working on here. So looking at the engine guys, that's the GDI engine. Looking at your engine, the map sensor should be located on the intake manifold. That's the intake manifold, that's where the engine gets its air from. So looking at it, it should be somewhere past the throttle body. This is your throttle body, and that sensor, okay, right here underneath, that's your map sensor. We recommend to disconnect the car battery because the radiator fan is very close and you don't want that to activate and cut your fingers off. Now, if you want to see the correct way to disconnect car battery and which battery terminal to disconnect first and reconnect first, we have a special video that explains that. If you don't do it the right way on these modern cars, we can actually damage the engine computer, electrical system, and burn computers and modules. We've done that in the past, so trust us, okay, you want to do it the right way. Now, we have the video. I'll try to put that link in the description of the video below. So that map sensor guys, how you guys disconnect it? Okay, you can see that's the wire, okay, that you have right here. You need to press down here, okay, and that sensor is so tight guys. Okay, I'll try to get it with that hand. You need to pull that tooth a little bit up, okay, and disconnect it. Perfect. Very limited room. 10mm socket guys. We need to go ahead and remove that bolt now. Alright, let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, the bolt came out. Now, that sensor guys, in most cases it could be really stuck. Okay, it could be really stuck because you have one O-ring that's there, but let's see in our case how it is. I just grab it from underneath, move it, turn it a little bit. Okay, let me grab it. It is stuck a little bit. Okay, but oh, it comes out. Perfect. It came out guys. Now, what causes that sensor to get stuck? That O-ring. Okay, if it's old, it will get stuck. It will get, okay, practically it will become one part with the intake manifold. So you need to move it a little bit and try to pull it out. Sometimes, okay, if you pry, be careful because you don't want to break your intake manifold guys to get it out. But definitely you can use like a screwdriver a little bit to pry it out if you need to. So this is it guys. Okay, this is the sensor. If you need to buy a new one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Putting it together is in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you for watching and see you next time.